Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to deal with your PC speakers not working with simple and easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, we need to ensure that the volume is not muted. So, check this. Right click the volume icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and select sound settings. On the sound settings page, scroll down to the advanced section, then click volume mixer. Ensure that the master volume is not muted and the volume of any other applications are not muted as well. Now let's run the troubleshooter. Right click the sound icon, then select troubleshoot sound problems. The troubleshooter will detect issues with the sound system and in some cases it will fix them automatically. Once the troubleshooter is done running, follow any prompts it gives you on the screen. If the last step didn't fix the issue, next thing to do is to check the drivers. Right click the Windows icon, then go to Device Manager. Here we see our list of devices. Scroll down, select Sound, Video and Gain Controllers, then select your sound device. Right click, then Update. Select this option, search automatically for drivers. If you get this message saying the best drivers for your device are already installed, close the page, right click the device again, update driver. This time select browse my computer for drivers. So select, let me pick from a list of available drivers. Left click a model, hit next. Once the installation is complete, close this page. You'll be prompted to restart your system. If the speaker still isn't working after restarting, right click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, open up Audio Inputs and Outputs, then select your speaker. This is mine. Right click it, then update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. Once again, if you get this message, close out the page, right click again, update driver, browse my computer, then let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click a model, then next. Once the installation is complete, close the page. Your speaker should be working now. Sometimes audio enhancements can interfere with sound outputs. To disable them, right click the sound icon and select sound settings. On the settings page, scroll down to the advanced section, then select more sound settings. Right click your output device, then select properties. Go to the enhancements tab, then tick disable all current effects. Hit apply, then hit OK. Next, we need to ensure that Windows audio service is set to automatic. So click the start menu icon, then type services. Open it up. Scroll down until you find the Windows audio service. Here it is. Right click, go to properties, and ensure startup type is set to automatic. Hit apply, then hit OK. At this point, your PC speaker should be working properly. If your speaker still isn't working after following the steps in this video, it's an indicator that your problem is hardware related. You might need to take your system in for repairs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.